Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create the likes table. So the table name will be post underscore likes. Number of columns is 4. Then click on create. So the name of the first column will be the like ID. So this one will be post underscore likes underscore ID. Data type over here is int. And we want it to be a primary key and also auto increment. So click on this one. Second column is to be the like by. That's the person who liked the post. So this one we post underscore like underscore by. Data type will be int. Then we have the post ID. Then we have the time that the user liked the post. So the data type over here will be date time. Then click on save.